Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to show you why I completely stopped paying for Chatgpt. For me, it's a complete trash right now. It's not even worth using, and I'm going to share with you why. So before, like 2 years back, I started paying for it. It's like, it was insane tool, so insane, it was so good, but month by month it was getting worse. And right now for me it's even unusable, only because it doesn't remember past conversations, it's hallucinating many times. When I write a question, what actually happens is that it just like make things up, it just doesn't search. It's like they are, I don't know, losing so much money and they're like in so much debt. I don't know about OpenAI, but they're like, it even feels to me they're kind of like throttling and limiting the whole kind of like the tool. And this is something that I don't like at all. And also I'm not a fan of the CEO, right? It's like, I'm just like not liking it. Therefore I'm like, yeah, I'm going to stop paying for it. And yeah, in the past I would say to, you know, it's insane to upgrade. Right now I would say don't do it, so do this instead. So for cheap ChatGPT you can like use that. For kind of like image search, again, I'm using Gemini completely for free, where I'm just going to ask quick questions, and even ChatGPT, I communicate with the kind of like the microphone and stuff like that. But with Gemini, I ask about the images and things like that. So that's like for it. And also it feels to me that Gemini got better access to the sites comparing to ChatGPT. And now for more deeper work, I actually start paying for Claude. So this is something that I personally do, is that I pay for Claude and Cloud Code. So that's something that I use. Opus 4.5 is insane in my opinion, and I will highly recommend for you to check that out. And even I like Kimi K2.5. This is like another one for you to check out. Is like they say they get like best benchmarks. What is the purpose of vitamin D? And find me posts on Reddit. I don't know how this is going to work. I don't want to like log in, but yeah, I've heard about like Kimi that is insane. So this is like, it's even, it's better than ChatGPT. But really, like, don't use ChatGPT, okay? You know, it's like, it's, I'm telling you right now, I'm just going to save you so much money. Don't even upgrade. I don't know if they are going to like even add ads or something to their plans, but it's like what are we doing, right? In the past it was so good, right now it's not good at all. And yeah, I'm just making this video that if you would be actually my friend and you would ask me for the question, I'm saying no. But primarily, don't even rely on it that much. Like, learn how to meditate, you know. It's like, learn how to become more peaceful inside, and these things are very limited, right? The AI is that you have all the answers within, all right? You can become very intelligent and smart by just like listening to silence. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day.